Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This is the first video I will be posting on this channel and I am so excited to get started. My name is Mary, nice to meet you. I hope your day is going so well and yeah, I'm so excited. And today I have a favorites video for you. My channel is going to be focused on beauty related things, basically anything beauty, a little bit of organizational videos here and there, declutters, just kind of like OG YouTube videos, and then a lot of fun ideas and stuff will be thrown in there. So yeah, I am super excited to get this channel rolling, and let's just get this video rolling too. So yeah, favorites video, let's get started. I have a mixture of drugstore products, a lot of drugstore products. I love drugstore products. And then I have one high-end product and then kind of a middle of the road throw in there for you guys. So let's begin. First off, I wanted to show you guys the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. This is such a beautiful product. SPF 20, which is amazing for the summertime, really anytime, but especially during the summertime. I'm a very pale person. I have freckles and I have reddish hair, so I just get burnt. I get fried so easily, so any sun protection I just am so drawn to because it's really, really nice to have in your makeup especially. So yeah, that is it, kind of just blended out into my hand. It is such a creamy formula. It has vitamins E, B3, and B5, which is awesome. Comes with a pump, that's a plus. It's oil free. I really like this product. I have it in the shade 710 if you guys were wondering, which is classic ivory. The shade selection could be better, like a lot better, but this shade is definitely a little bit off for me. It's a little bit orange and yellow for my skin. I'm a very cool toned person, so I still use it, especially during the summertime, but the only reason why I can pull it off is because I wear a very sheer to light layer of it. You can build it up to medium coverage. I have in the past. It claims that it's a full coverage foundation, which I do disagree with. It is definitely more of a medium coverage. But I always keep it on the sheer lighter side because I have freckles and because it's not the correct shade for me. Alrighty, so that's that product. Next, I have the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. I have it in the shade SMP02 Nude. I kind of use this product for so much. It's nice for on the go, first of all. And then second, you can kind of use it under your eyes. That's kind of how I used it today. I used a color corrector under my eyes, like a light pink one, and then to make it a little bit more skin tone like, I just pressed this powder foundation right on top to set it, and it just gave such a creamy veil of powder over it. It looked like my skin, and it is very pigmented. It is very pigmented, and it just gave the most beautiful highlighted effect under my eyes. Of course, as a powder foundation, how it's marketed, it works beautifully as well. I love this as a powder foundation. It gives just the perfect amount of coverage for that. And yeah, I just really love this product. It's such an amazing multitasker and something super easy to throw in the purse because the packaging is super convenient. So yeah, that is that product. Moving on, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer next. This product is so good. I have hit pan like nobody's business on this product. It's so nice. It comes with this little sponge thing. It doesn't really do much. It comes with a mirror as well. I don't really use it. I forget that it's even there. I have my packaging on this product broke, so I'm kind of excited to get this bronzer out of my collection and just get rid of it all, but and buy a new one, of course, because I love the actual product. But yeah, for some reason this Physicians Formula packaging stuff always breaks on me. I have it in the shade Light Bronzer. It is such a beautiful bronzer. I don't have it on my cheeks today, but it is so creamy. It's basically a matte bronzer. It does have a tiny sheen to it, but I kind of like it. It just makes your skin look so naturally healthy. It's not even a glow. It just looks like your skin, except for bronze. Who doesn't want that? Next, I have the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is so beautiful. It is a beautiful peachy blush with a sheen to it. So pretty. I have this on my cheeks today. I really, really like it. I've owned this product for like 2 months now, and I've already made like kind of a dent in it, and it's it's crazy how much I've used this blush, you guys. So whenever I first thought of baked blushes, I always thought that they would be kind of hard because like baked, but they're just really soft. It's so soft. It's such a soft, pigmented, beautiful blush, and I could swatch this blush all day because I just enjoy the formula that much. But yeah, that is, it's beautiful. Really beautiful. Alrighty, next I have this Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Pink in the Afternoon. I have this on my lips today, and it is just kind of a classic lipstick bullet style. The packaging is really classy. I mean, these lipsticks have been around forever. It's such a pretty formula. It's kind of like the matte cream sheen lipsticks, and it's so pigmented, it's creamy, it gives like that luster and shine to your lips. It's such a comfortable formula, and I just love this color. This color is it's the perfect shade for spring and summer. Next, here's like the middle of the road product for you guys. It's the Mary Kay Mineral Cheek Color in Shy Blush. I love the color. It is a cool toned pink with golden shimmer, and I love this blush. I wear it almost every day, and it is such a pretty formula. It is just as soft as the Milani Luminoso. I think it retails for $8. Yes, that is Mary Kay's Shy Blush. It is so pretty, and it just goes with every look because you have that cool tone base in there, but then you have the golden shimmer, which just makes it go with absolutely everything. It's so nice. Alright, now I have the Physicians Formula Natural Nude Shimmer Strips. This is so pretty as highlight, as eyeshadow. Really use it however you want. It is comparable to any high-end highlight I can think of. That is a swatch of the lightest corner area kind of blended together, and then here is the darkest area swatched out for you. I really like this highlight too because it can cater to any skin tone, which is so nice because Physicians Formula can't really do that often. So whenever they can, I like, you know, it's awesome. But yeah, so that's kind of all like the whole area mixed together. This highlight blends in so seamlessly to the skin. It looks like a glow within. It can also look like super intense, but no matter what, it will always look so seamless with your blush, bronzer, and then with your actual skin. So I really like that highlight, and it's also a beautiful eyeshadow as well. I use it as eyeshadow quite often, especially for inner corners, because it has a lot of beautiful highlighting shades in there. Alrighty, so next I want to talk about the Lorac Pro 3 palette. This is the first high-end palette that I ever bought, and I'm so happy I did. It has an amazing variety of transition shades that you can choose from. You can go cool toned, you can go like rosy toned, you can go super warm toned, and then the two darker shades are really nice. I'm going to swatch out some of the transitions for you. I used this palette today. It is on my eyes, and it is just so nice. The shimmers in here are really creamy and buttery and smooth to the touch, and they apply to the eye just as well. I do not like applying these shimmer shades with a brush. I almost always use my finger. Then again, most shimmery eyeshadows just work better with a brush. I don't know why, they just do. But yeah, so that is kind of like a swatch of like some of the shades that I use the most in this palette. Here's the shade Jet Black. Here's the shade Terracotta, the shade Clay, Cool Taupe. This is the shade Light Gold, rose bronze, which is what I have all over my lid, kind of blended into the crease with a little bit of clay and cool taupe. And then lastly over here I swatched almond pearl. They have such a beautiful shine to them. The shimmers aren't crazy metallic, they just give a hint of glow to the eye while providing that pigment. So it's such a beautiful formula. They're such foolproof eyeshadows. Like, even if you didn't blend these shadows out, they'd probably still look blended. Like, that's how blendable and creamy this formula is. Yes, it does have a lot of powder kick-up, which makes these palettes get pretty messy pretty fast, but I don't even care. Like, it's quite dirty from the shadow, but that just means I use it. Alrighty, so last but certainly not least, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. I have it in the shade Blackest Black. Here is what the wand looks like. It is such a weird wand. Like, it's such a weird design wand, but I love it. Like, for some reason, it just does like this magical thing to my eyelashes. Whenever like you cradle it at the base of the lash, you're kind of like tight lining as well. It's so easy. It definitely has like a learning curve, but like you have to cradle it to the bottom of the lash and then kind of like wiggle it through and just pull it through your lashes, and it just gives the most beautiful fanned out look. It is definitely voluminous. Definitely adds length. Like, this is, whenever I use this mascara during its prime, I get the longest lashes I've ever gotten. It takes a while to dry out. Like, you need to let it dry out for like 2 weeks and then it's golden. Alrighty, those are all the products that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love it for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll stick around for a while, because I'm going to be around for a while too. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye guys.